Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Vaishnavi. I hope you guys are doing well and I am doing good too. Welcome back to another video and happy vlogmas, I guess that's what they say. For this video I am going to do something super fun. So on my Instagram I asked you guys a poll whether you wanted to see a makeup haul or makeup challenge, and most of you said makeup challenge because I suck at makeup and I am very proud of it because I don't do makeup a lot. For the theme of this challenge I chose a Christmas one. I initially thought of doing the blue color makeup challenge because that was in trend, but since it's Christmas like in a few days, so I thought why not choose some Christmas type of makeup. So I did a little bit of Pinterest search on my phone and I found some of the makeup looks I liked and which might be doable for me. So this is the makeup which I am going for. Here is the picture and it seems a little bit easy. I'll be able to do this, and I also got props for this makeup challenge. I got a Santa hat. Here is a hat. I'm going to wear a necklace over this t-shirt. I'm not going to change the t-shirt because I think white will look good with the red makeup thing. So also, if you guys want a makeup haul for the next video, so please comment down. I recently got a lot of makeup for myself for the first time, so I am very excited. So I do want to show you guys the makeup haul. I think that's it for the intro. Let's get into the video. So first up, we need to tie our hair. This is my huge makeup bag. I know, not very flattering, but we'll get there. These are the brushes I bought. There is also this thing. Keep this picture as my reference so that I may not get crazy. So I guess the first step is used to the foundation. First I did put a primer on. I hope you can see. I'm using the Lotus foundation. Okay, so I've done my foundation. I am not going to apply the concealer because I already have a lot of pimples. So our next step is going to be the eyebrows. This eyebrow palette, I am going to use the black shade because this person has done the black shade a lot. I don't have that kind of brows, man. I'm going to use this black. Okay, so our eyebrows are a little bit filled. I think this area is a weird one because I don't have a lot of hair there. Should I fill it? Should I not fill it? I don't know. Damn, it looks weird. I don't have these brows. It looks so weird. Stop it. I feel like she has a arch right over here and I don't have that. I feel like this eyebrow has it here. Itna nahi hai. So what should I do? Okay, so our next part would be eyeshadow. So ऊपर we have red, then बीच में white line है, and there's shimmer also here. Then there's a whole green line over here. So basically I have two eyeshadow palettes. I don't know what is this. ये मेरे mom से लिया है, and this one is by Huda. Different red. This is a different red, or is it filters? I'm so confused. We have the second palette which has red, which looks kind of similar to this one, and there is also shimmer inside this. Ugh! What the hell? How do I open this? Okay, so there's green over here which is shimmery, which I can use that. इसमें red नहीं है. First, I guess this red suits more. I'm done with the red. I think it looks fine. We have to do this shimmery thing here. So we got the shimmer. Can you see? We got the shimmer. Apparently my white doesn't look like this. Like वो आ ही नहीं रहा है, line it is not visible at all. Till then we'll do the green. So I'm gonna use this green. Okay, so we got the green, we got the red. Now I think we'll do the white here and here. Our next step is probably eyeliner, and the woman is using very heavy liner, I think, but I don't think I want to do a very heavy liner, so we'll do a little bit winged eyeliner. So I am going to be using the Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. It's a pen liner. Okay, done with the liner. Looks pretty good. We got the wing, and now for the mascara we are going to use the Color Essence Gold Camera Ready Intense Mascara. I would tell you, makeup is stressful. Like, how do people do this every day? Okay, now finally we got the highlighter. Now finally we have the lipstick lip gloss thing going on. Which lipstick? I think we are going to use this. And the last thing we are remaining is with the powder compact. So I'm going to use the Lotus. Done. Let's fix the hair. For our last step, I am going to use the chunky necklace I got from everstylish.com on Instagram. We are done with the last finishing touches. I did this small stars by my pen because और कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा था. We got this necklace thing, and we have our whole face makeup. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and please let me know if I did win this challenge or if I did not, and if you like this makeup then please let me know, and if you guys want another makeup challenge then hit me up, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Instagram. And I don't want to show you this mess, so I'm going to clean it up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.